The ocean hides secrets, some better left undiscovered. Like and subscribe if you're brave enough to explore the unknown. Number 5. The goblin shark, with its protruding jaw and translucent skin. It's a living fossil lurking in the depths. Number 4. The anglerfish. It lures prey with a glowing lure, only to reveal its monstrous jaws. Number 3. The giant isopod. Resembling a creature from nightmares, it scavenges the ocean floor. Number 2. The vampire squid, with its cloak-like webbing and bioluminescent displays. It's both mesmerizing and unsettling. Number 1. The frilled shark, an ancient predator with a serpentine body and rows of needle-like teeth.